All right, guys, we've got lot 67 here, and this is going to be a really nice house. Looked in the sides here. Notice that we use plywood on our roof structures, not particle board. But you're going to have a huge porch here, which is really nice. 2-stall garage. You're on the corner lot, so your driveway will go this way. But you can also add a driveway for a little money from that side, which is really neat. But check this out. This thing can be done in about probably 3 or 4 months. Less than 4 months, more than 3 months. But a very nice property, and it's going to be an awesome home. And this lanai back here is to die for. Look how big it is. I mean, it's a monster. We are plumbing it for outdoor kitchen, so you still have time to add that to it. This property is going to be $299 Johnsonville home, which is crazy. You still have time to pick out your colors, and this is going to go fast. Guys, jump on this. You're going to have this beautiful covered porch also, so you can sit out here in the evenings or in the mornings. So let us know.